Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you see your most played songs on Spotify. So to see that, you don't need to go to your Spotify app, you just need to go to any browser, just like go to Google browser. Now after that, just search for stats for Spotify, and after searching it, just go to the first website, stats for Spotify. Now into this website you need to log in with your ID. I have already logged in. Now here you can see top tracks, this option here, the green first one, click on it, and here you can see you can just choose between last 4 weeks, last 6 month and last 12 month. It will automatically show you the most played songs you have played on Spotify. So guys, that's how you can see your most played songs on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.